Where are we going, Ricky?
Mount Kosciuszko.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. Today we're going to Mount Kosciuszko. It's the tallest mountain in Australia. We left Melbourne, so we left at 5 AM and we're about halfway there. It's about 9 AM right now. We've got, I think, 3 more hours to drive to get up to the mountain, and then it's about a 2-hour hike up there. So guys, right here, we're driving right now, and we've got a fucking whole herd of cows in front of us, and we're a bit stuck because they've sort of trapped us. But we've got Ricky over here, moving the cows for us. We're heading up Mount Kosciuszko now, so we've got to take a chairlift. It takes you about halfway up, and then the other half you got to walk it. So it's a pretty far walk. They say it's like 2 hours, which I reckon I could do in one if I run. I'm absolutely fucking dying. After 2 hours of walking, trekking, almost dying, we made it to the summit. Yeah, boys. Fucking hell, that was a hike. 2 hours sleep, 6 hours driving, 2 hours walking, but we made it. So we're just hiking back from the summit, and we saw this amazing sunset. We just had to stop here, and like these views are like incredible. Like some of the best views I've ever seen in my life. Like the sunset here, splendid. I don't know, man. It's just bliss. It's beautiful. But we do have a huge trek. Like it's getting dark, and we were definitely walking in the dark. But fuck it, man. We're here. We're back, we made it to base camp. I'm completely exhausted, I'm agonizing. It's bloody like 7:30 at night and I couldn't see shit. We're fucking using our phones and our phones are going flat and we have one phone left. We did make it, we kept getting lost, it was crazy. But look, we made it, we summited it. One tip, if you're doing Mount Kosciuszko, never ever climb it before like, I don't know, I'd say like a 10 AM. Anyway, we're grabbing food. I'm gonna eat that much food, and then we got a 6.5 hour drive to Sydney, so it'll be fun. So 20 hours later, we made it to Sydney. I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted, but we're gonna stay the night in a hostel and just kick it here for a bit. And tomorrow we're just gonna hang around Sydney a bit, and then we're gonna go head off to the Blue Mountains. But I reckon I'll end today's vlog off here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.